Child support's determined by the Arizona Child Support Guidelines. There's an Arizona Child Support calculator, and within this calculator, some of the questions that are asked are, what are the gross incomes of both parties? What's also asked is whether or not spousal maintenance is being paid or received, whether or not there are children of other relationships that you're supporting. What's also asked is whether or not the children that we're calculating child support for are over the age of 12. Because they determined that children over the age of 12 need a little bit more. They're eating more, they're growing more, they need more clothes, they have more activities, that kind of thing. So there's an addition for that. Daycare expenses are included. Health insurance premiums are included. So these are premiums you actually pay for health insurance coverage. Daycare expenses are included, and who's paying that and how much per month. What's also included in the calculator is the number of days of parenting time for the non-custodial parent. There's a deduction there. And why that's important is because the assumption is that while the child is living with one of the parents, the non-custodial parent, that parent is actually spending money on the child, more money than they would be when the child's with the custodial parent. So there's a little deduction given for that. But those are basically the issues. So child support's determined by the Arizona Child Support Guidelines. A lot of times, though, in a divorce situation, the parents agree to deviate from what the calculator says, either more child support or less child support. And that can be placed in the paperwork, too, if that's what the parties want to do.